Welcome to class 10 biology children. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 bits second part. Children, in our previous class we have discussed up to 62nd bit. Now we are going to discuss 63rd bit. Which food do you suggest to a boy whose face is round and fluffy legs are swollen? So round face and fluffy faced persons, they should take which food materials? Proteins. So round face and fluffy face, these are the symptoms of kwashiorkor disease. So kwashiorkor disease children should take proteins. Next, 64. Ramu's tongue became red, unable to eat food. Which vitamin is deficient in him? So Ramu's tongue became red. Ramu's tongue became which color? Red color tongue. Okay, so he is unable to take the food materials also. It's a which disease symptom? Riboflavin. What is the symbol of riboflavin? B2. Next, B1 thiamine, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cyanocobalamin. Okay, B1 causes beriberi disease, B2 riboflavin. Riboflavin symptoms: red colored tongue and unable to take the food materials. Next, peristaltic movements can be seen in this part of digestive system. Where do we observe peristaltic movements? Peristaltic movements means wave-like movements caused by our internal organs during the passage of food materials. In which organs we can see the peristaltic movements? See the answer: second, third and fourth. What is second? Esophagus. Esophagus shows peristaltic movements. Smaller intestine. Next, larger intestine. These are the parts which can show peristaltic movements during the passage of food materials. Let us see the 66th bit. Identify the incorrect sentence reading Kaskuta. Incorrect means wrong sentence we need to identify. Let us see. It cannot absorb nutrients from soil. It cannot absorb nutrients from soil. It never absorbs nutrients from soil. This is one option. Next, cannot prepare food materials. This is another option. So these both the options are correct. Okay. Next, it has no leaves. Dodda or Kaskuta plant has no leaves. It collects food from other plants and it doesn't acquires nutrients from soil. So these three are correct statements, but we need to identify, we need to pick out the incorrect sentence only. So what is incorrect sentence? It cannot reproduce. So it can reproduce. So it cannot reproduce is the wrong statement here. 67. Ravi prepared 4 sentences about liver. Identify the correct sentences. We need to identify the correct sentences given by the Ramu. Let us see. Liver is the largest digestive gland. It is correct answer. Next, liver cannot secrete enzymes. Liver cannot secrete enzymes. Liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice doesn't contain any enzymes in it. Already we have discussed. Okay. But liver digests proteins. Liver cannot secrete digestive juices. So these are the not related answers to our given bit. Next, 68th. Identify the incorrect statement. So here also we need to identify wrong statement. Carbohydrates are digested in the mouth. It is correct. Carbohydrates do not digest in the stomach. It is also correct. Already while the explaining of chapter 1 we discussed that carbohydrates digestion can be carried out in the mouth. Next, cellulose cannot be digested in the digestive system. So here cellulose cannot be digested. In our bodies, cellulose cannot be digested. So it is also correct. All the digestive juices produced in the digestive system have enzymes in them. It is wrong. Okay, in our digestive system, so many juices can be secreted. These all the juices, they never consisting enzymes. Example, bile juice. Bile juice doesn't contain enzymes in it. Next 69. The leaf has turned to blue black color in the iodine test. What does it indicate? When we add iodine to the potted plant leaf, then what will happen? It will converted into blue black color. What it indicates? A leaf has starch in it. When it has the starch, then it can be converted into blue black color. Next, photosynthesis occurred. When does the photosynthesis starch is formed? Because of the photosynthesis carried out in the plant leaf. So 1 and 3, both 1 and 3 are the correct answers. 70. Vivek forgot to keep KOH solution in the glass bottle to demonstrate that CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis to occur. After the experiment, he conducted iodine test and noted in moles half-leaf experiment. Vivek forgot to keep the KOH solution in the bottle. KOH means potassium hydroxide solution. So after conducting the experiment, he conducted iodine test. Then what he was observed, we need to identify. The entire leaf changed into blue black color. If we didn't keep the KOH solution, then what will happen? The entire leaf can be converted into blue black color. KOH solution is useful to remove the carbon dioxide present in the leaf. Next, 71. The end products of photosynthesis are. What are the end products of photosynthesis? H2O and oxygen. Water and oxygen are the end products of the photosynthesis. Okay, these are the main end products. Next, 72. Identify the incorrect sentence regarding grana of chlorophyll. Incorrect means wrong sentence. We need to identify. Here, grana are the stacks of thylakoid membranes. If you observe the thylakoid membranes, there is a chance to see some stacked coin-like structures. In like this manner, some stacked coin-like structures are there. These are called grana. It is correct. Light reactions occurs in grana. It's also correct. Next, dark reactions occurs in grana. This is wrong. Dark reactions occurs in stroma of the chloroplast. What it is called? Stroma of the chloroplast. Grana contains photosynthetic pigments. It is also correct. Grana contains nearly 250 to 400 photosynthetic pigments in it for conducting the photosynthesis process. Now we are going to discuss 73rd bit. Ravi conducted iodine test on a substance. It do not change it into blue black color. What does it indicate? He was conducted iodine test on a plant leaf, then it doesn't converted into blue black color. What it indicates? The substance may be protein. Proteins never reacted with iodine, so it is also correct. Next, the substance may be lipid. Lipids also never reacted. Next, third, it may be starch. It may be starch means it is the wrong answer. Starch always starch means it is one type of carbohydrate. Starch always reacted with iodine. Next, fourth one, the substance is not starch, so it is correct. So here 1, 2, 4 are the correct answers, means B. Next, 74. Identify the incorrect sentence about photosynthesis. So we need to identify the wrong sentence. Light energy changes into chemical energy. It is correct. Glucose is formed in photosynthesis. It is also correct. Next, CO2 is released during photosynthesis. It is wrong. During photosynthesis, CO2 is required to the plants for its process. Next, O2 is not needed for photosynthesis. It is also correct. So we need to identify the incorrect. Incorrect means wrong sentence. So here wrong sentence is B. 75. Identify the correct sentence among the following. Correct sentence we need to identify. First one, autotrophic nutrition is found only in plants. Not only in plants, we can see autotrophic nutrition in some animals also. So it is wrong. Next, all animals are heterotrophs. So it is correct. All animals are heterotrophs. Next, here autotrophic nutrition is found only in plants means it is wrong. It can be seen in microorganisms also. Next, all animals are heterotrophs. It is correct. Next one, plants and some bacteria shows autotrophic nutrition. So it is also correct. Fungi shows saprophytic nutrition. Fungi means mushrooms, shows saprophytic nutrition. So it is also correct. 2, 3, 4. These are the correct answers. Next, 76. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is. What is the use of HCl in the stomach? It kills bacteria. It's correct. Next, it activates enzymes. It is also correct. It is useful to activate the enzymes. Next, third one. It changes the food to acidic medium. It changes the food to acidic medium. HCl means hydrochloric acid. When it combines with food, then what will happen? Food will be converted into acidic state. So these three options are correct. Next, it digests the food materials. No, it is the wrong option. HCl is never useful to digest the food materials. 77. Mouth. Mouth secretes gastric juice. Is it correct? Here let us see mouth, stomach, duodenum and small intestine. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 options he gave us. Next, intestinal juice, saliva, gastric juice and pancreatic juice. Okay, see, mouth secretes saliva with the help of salivary glands. It is correct. Next, stomach. Stomach secretes gastric juice. In our stomach, gastric juices can be secreted to digest the food materials. Next, duodenum. Duodenum means smaller intestine starting part is called duodenum. It secretes which juices? Duodenum secretes which juices? Pancreatic juices. Next, smaller intestine. Small means smaller intestine. In short form, he gave us smaller intestine secretes intestinal juices. So B, C, D, A matching means first one. 78. Identify the statement not related to the smaller intestine. So we need to identify one important point which is not related to smaller intestine. Absorption and digestion of food materials. So it is related to smaller intestine. The inner wall folds and forms villi. It is also related to smaller intestine. It secretes intestinal juice. Succus entericus named juice can be secreted in it. So it produces bile. So this is a wrong statement. Bile can be secreted by liver. Next, 79. Identify the statement not related to pancreatic juices. So lipase acts on fats. So it is correct. It is belongs to pancreatic juice. Trypsin acts on proteins. So it is also correct. Amylase acts on carbohydrate. It is wrong. Amylase acts on carbohydrate. So amylase, lipase, trypsin. Sorry, I am extremely sorry for this. Amylase, amylapsin not amylase. Next, trypsin and lipase. Here, in case of smaller intestine, amylase can be secreted. Next, lipase can be secreted. Trypsin can be secreted, but not sucrase. Okay, sucrase acts on sucrose. So this is a wrong option about pancreatic juice. It is not related to pancreatic juice. Next, 80. Identify the part not related to photosynthesis. We need to identify the part which is not related to photosynthesis. Chloroplast. So it is related to photosynthesis. Next, thylakoid. It is also related to photosynthesis. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria is never related to photosynthesis. Next one, vacuole. Vacuole is also not related to photosynthesis. Next 81 bit. Food prepared by plants stored in the form of. Food prepared by plants stored in the form of. In which form the food can be stored in the plants? Let us see. Options: first one, starch, proteins, lipids, vitamins. Food prepared by plants stored in the form of starch, correct, proteins, correct, lipids, correct. So here our option is D. Our option is D, starch, proteins and lipids. Let us come to 82nd bit. Find out wrong pair. We need to find out the wrong pair. Saliva. It contains a ptyalin enzyme. It is correct. Pancreatic juice. It has amylase. Next, gastric juice. Lipase. So it is wrong. Next, intestinal juice. Peptidose. Peptidose, not peptidase. So it is also correct. 83. Photosynthesis process is determined on the production of carbohydrates but on the production of glucose. Reason: photosynthesis is always determined on production of carbohydrates only but not on the production of glucose. So we need to identify the reason. Here if you observe the reason directly, glucose which is formed in the photosynthesis immediately converted into carbohydrates. Initially glucose is formed in the photosynthesis. It is immediately converted into carbohydrates. Next 84th bit. What is the reason to keep a plant in dark for 48 hours? To know the photosynthetic experiments in plants. So why do we keep the plant, potted plant, inside of a dark room for 48 hours? Why? What the reason? To remove carbohydrates or to remove starch from the leaves. We need to keep the particular potted plant inside of a dark room. Next, 85th bit. The characters of one of the protein deficiency disease are accumulation of water in intercellular spaces, dry skin and motion. So dry skin and motions can be caused by the deficiency of proteins. So which disease can be caused by the deficiency of proteins? Kwashiorkor disease. 86. Need of green chlorophyll pigmented molecules in leaves. So if you observe the plant leaves, they consisting a green chlorophyll pigment molecules in it. What is the use? These are useful for traps solar energy, for trapping the solar energy. Whenever the solar energy is trapped, then what will happen? It can perform the process of photosynthesis. What chemical is used to know the presence of carbohydrates in leaves? So which chemical is useful to know the carbohydrates in leaves? Iodine. When we add the iodine to plant leaf, it can be converted into blue-black color. 88. Why we use KOH in a bottle? In the experiment to know CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. Why should we use KOH in Mohs half-leaf experiment? To absorb CO2 in the bottle. It is very important bit. So many times in public examinations we saw this bit. Next, 89th bit. Choose the correct statement about photosynthesis. So we need to choose the correct statement. Conversion of light energy into heat energy. This is wrong. In case of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Conversion of light energy to chemical energy. So conversion of light energy to chemical energy is one of the correct answer. Let us see, it is correct answer. Next, conversion of light energy into electrical energy. This is also wrong. Next, conversion of heat energy into chemical energy. This is also wrong. First one also wrong. So which one is the correct answer? B, conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Let us see the last bit in this class. Site of light reaction. So Where do we observe light reaction? Grana of chloroplast carries light reaction. Stroma of chloroplast carries dark reaction. Mitochondria, cellular respiration, Golgi complex, secretion. So today we are going to conclude our class. 63rd bit to 90 bits we discussed. In our next class we will discuss total bits. Totally we have 131 bits in our chapter 1. In our next class we are going to finish 91 to 131 bits. Okay children, thank you.